Introducing the future of urban mobility, the Shane car concept. Designed by the innovative mind behind the hoverboard craze, Shane Chen, this two-wheeled electric vehicle is set to redefine city commuting. Despite its sleek, toy-like appearance, don't be fooled. This vehicle boasts groundbreaking self-balancing technology that ensures stability and safety akin to four-wheelers. With cutting-edge electronics, sensors, and inertia dampers, it effortlessly counteracts driving stresses, offering a smooth ride. Plus, with solar panels on the roof harnessing sustainable energy, it's not just efficient, but eco-friendly too. Still in early development, the Shane car concept is poised to revolutionize mobility. And with Chen actively seeking partners, its potential knows no bounds. Get ready to embrace the future of transportation. Scania S730 mini truck. This engineering marvel is more than just a ride-on vehicle. It's a tribute to the legendary Scania series and a testament to the creator's childhood nostalgia. Powered by a 24-volt electric battery, this miniature masterpiece offers over 4 hours of playtime per charge, ensuring endless fun for truck enthusiasts of all ages. While the price tag may seem hefty, exceeding $3,000 for a fully finished model, every penny is justified by the meticulous craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and sheer joy it brings to its owners. Whether you're a collector, a hobbyist, or simply looking to relive cherished memories, the Scania S730 mini truck is the ultimate symbol of Scania's enduring legacy. Step into the future of personal transportation with Zuum Shoes, the revolutionary self-balancing e-skates that are taking the world by storm. As seen on Shark Tank, these portable skates offer a unique blend of fun and practicality at an unbeatable price of $299.99, making electric skates accessible to all. With a robust weight capacity of up to 330 lbs, Zuum Shoes are engineered for durability and exceptional performance, catering to users of all kinds. Thanks to their intuitive design, mastering the silky smooth ride takes just 10 minutes, allowing riders to effortlessly glide through their surroundings. Plus, with built-in lights indicating battery levels and quick charging capabilities, Zuum Shoes provide up to 1.5 hours of riding time on a single charge, perfect for casual outings or short commutes. Say goodbye to traditional modes of transportation and embrace the freedom of Zuum Shoes today. Buckle up for the ride of a lifetime with the Daymak Spiritus prototype, a bold leap into the future of mobility. This three-wheeled electric vehicle isn't just a car, it's a vision set in motion, boasting cutting-edge technology and a sleek aerodynamic design reminiscent of a go-kart. With scissor doors adding to its futuristic appeal, the Spiritus comes in two versions, the Deluxe and the Ultimate. At an affordable $9,995, the Deluxe offers a respectable top speed of 85 mph and a range of 180 miles, making it perfect for daily commutes. But for those craving unparalleled power, the Ultimate Edition is the epitome of performance, rivaling even the Tesla Roadster. Packed with features like a carbon fiber shell, three-wheel drive, and mind-blowing acceleration of 0 to 60 mph in just 1.8 seconds. It's a true powerhouse on wheels. Starting at $149,000, the Ultimate also boasts a 300-mile range, autonomous driving capabilities, and cutting-edge wireless charging, ushering in a new era of automotive innovation. Experience the thrill of snow like never before with the Arosno E-Trace, an innovative fusion of e-bike technology and the pure joy of sledding. Unlike traditional snow sports, this electric snow bike offers a novel three-point support system for unparalleled safety and stability, ensuring riders of all ages can enjoy the adrenaline rush without any special training. With speeds of up to 25 km/h, powered by a robust SAAC RS 250-watt motor, generating 110 Nm of torque, the E-Trace is a winter wonder on wheels. Its detachable battery pack provides an impressive 45 kilometers of autonomy, making every ride an adventure to remember. Priced at $7,990 plus delivery, with optional extras like a hitch rack and extra battery pack available. This eco-friendly snow bike is the ultimate investment. Prepare for takeoff with the Icon A5, a groundbreaking fusion of flying excitement and amphibious versatility. This engineering marvel of contemporary aviation redefines leisure flight, allowing pilots to effortlessly transition between land and water, unlocking endless adventure possibilities. With its spin-resistant structure and intuitive car-like cockpit, the Icon A5 makes flying more accessible to a wider audience, offering an experience rather than just a plane. Starting at $269,000 for the base model and reaching up to $389,000 for the fully equipped version, the Icon A5 blends enhanced technologies with luxury finishes for an unparalleled flying experience. Exclusive to the US market, the 2023 limited edition starts at $359,000, making it a coveted addition to any aviation enthusiast's collection. Plus, with a sport pilot license requirement, the Icon A5 opens the skies to those eager to explore the thrill of flight. Step into the future of cycling with the Concept E-Bike 1865, an innovative blend of 19th century nostalgia and cutting-edge technology. Inspired by the classic velocipede, this futuristic e-bike reimagines the iconic pedal cycle using 24 unique high-performance polymers, showcasing the potential of modern materials in bicycle design. With metal components limited to just the brakes, axles, and motor, the Concept E-Bike 1865 is a testament to the versatility and durability of contemporary plastics. Created through a collaboration between BSF and the Ding 3000 design firm, this visionary project serves as an exploration of novel product concepts and the limitless possibilities of modern polymers across various industries. Revolutionize your commute with the Zeva Zero, an electric vertical takeoff and landing plane that's reshaping urban air travel as we know it. Developed by Zeva Zero, this disc-shaped marvel is compact enough to fit into a regular parking spot, making it perfect for navigating crowded cityscapes. With 8 electric motor-driven propellers powering emissions-free flights, the Zeva Zero is not just environmentally friendly, but also designed for single-pilot operation, maximizing point-to-point mobility. Cruising at speeds of up to 160 mph with a range of 50 miles, it offers unparalleled convenience for urban commuters. With deposits starting at $5,000, bringing the total price to $225,000, Zeva Zero is paving the way for a future where flying is accessible to all. Experience the ultimate in space-saving innovation with the Kwiggle folding bike, a true marvel of German engineering. As the world's smallest folding bike, the Kwiggle is redefining urban mobility with its compact and portable design. Weighing in at just 9 to 10 kg, it's the perfect travel companion for city dwellers and adventurers alike, easily fitting into car trunks or accompanying you on public transportation. What sets the Kwiggle apart is not just its size, but its liberating nature, opening up new possibilities for cycling as a part of everyday life. With variants available to suit different riding styles and terrains, including 1-speed, 3-speed, and 6-speed transmissions, there's a Kwiggle for every cyclist. Embark on a journey of exploration with the Turtle Rover, an adaptable and durable robotic platform inspired by cutting-edge space exploration technologies. Designed with personalization in mind, the Turtle Rover draws inspiration from the rovers employed on Mars, offering scientists, teachers, and enthusiasts a powerful tool for discovery. With its Wi-Fi app control and impressive range of up to 200 meters, the Turtle Rover provides access to remote and dangerous environments, making it ideal for non-invasive research and exploration. Starting at $990 for a kit, and $1,972 for a fully constructed unit, the Turtle Rover commands a premium price tag, reflecting its advanced features and craftsmanship.